Regularly changing the filter in your GE appliance's water filtration system allows you to continually enjoy clean filtered water and ice anytime you want it. Replacing the filter is easy if you follow the simple steps outlined in this video. Whether you're using an inline water filtration system or a single-stage water filtration system, your filter cartridge should be changed when the system monitor indicates or every 6 months. You can also change the filter sooner if you experience slow water flow. Before beginning, be sure to read all the safety instructions included in the installation manual. Before replacing the filter in a single-stage water filtration system, you may want to place a small towel underneath to catch any dripping water. Begin by removing the existing filter cartridge from its housing by turning it clockwise about 1/3 of a turn. It's possible for a small amount of water to drip from the tubing when removing the old filter. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and install by inserting it into the housing and turning it counterclockwise about 1/3 of a turn, or until it stops moving and locks into place. The filter will rise as you turn it, and the label will be centered and facing forward when properly installed. Next, you'll want to purge any trapped air from the system. If your system has a control valve, turn on the faucet's cold water and rotate the control valve toward the faucet so that the water may flow. Otherwise, simply turn on the water. Be aware that the system may make some noise during this process. Check for water leaks and then run about 6 gallons of water through the system to flush out harmless particles that may be present. This should take about 10 minutes. Then turn off the water and check one more time for any leaks. If your system includes a timer, be sure to replace the batteries as illustrated in the system installation instructions. The replacement process for an inline water filtration system is very similar. First, turn off the ice maker. Then place a towel underneath the system to catch any dripping water. Remove the filter by rotating the canister clockwise about 1/3 of a turn, and install the new filter by turning it counterclockwise until the alignment marks line up. The filter will rise as you turn it. Do not over-tighten. Turn the ice maker on, and to ensure that the water has flushed out any harmless specks of carbon, be sure to discard the first 3 buckets of ice produced. Lastly, write the current date on the filter and set a reminder on your calendar to change the filter in 6 months. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at gewaterfilters.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.